Hello, Shawnee. It's time to secure your home with the finest gutter guard solutions from the Gutter Guys. Shawnee's unique weather patterns demand robust gutter protection. Our gutter guards are specifically designed to handle heavy rainfall and debris, ensuring your gutters function perfectly no matter the weather. We at the Gutter Guys are committed to delivering Shawnee residents high-quality gutter guard installations that last. Our experts ensure your gutters are well protected, reducing maintenance and enhancing your home safety. Are you tired of constantly cleaning out your gutters? It's a chore that no homeowner enjoys. Gutter guards are an innovative solution designed to eliminate the need for frequent gutter cleaning. These guards fit over your existing gutters and are engineered to block leaves, debris, and even the smallest particles from entering your gutter system. Imagine never having to worry about water damage from clogged gutters again. Gutter guards protect your home from the foundation up, preventing costly water damage and reducing soil erosion around your property. By ensuring that water flows freely away from your home, gutter guards maintain the integrity of your roof, walls, and landscaping. Moreover, gutter guards can save you money over time. By reducing the need for professional cleaning services and preventing expensive water damage repairs, they offer a cost-effective solution to one of homeownership's most tedious tasks. Ready to stop cleaning and start saving? Contact the Gutter Guys today at 816-320-6605 or visit us online at thegutterguys.llc to learn more and get a free quote. Protect your home efficiently and economically with our top-quality gutter guards. Thanks for choosing the Gutter Guys in Shawnee. We're dedicated to your satisfaction and safety, ensuring every raindrop flows where it should. Trust us, your gutter experts.